So my name is Drashti Vora. I work as an assistant manager in Business Services Australia. I've been with BeFree since last 4 years. What I do is I lead the team across Chennai, Kochi, Gandhinagar and different locations. Beyond operations, I also contribute in training new joinees in the department. I also contribute in various other committees like training and development, entertainment and motivation, etc. All of this is because I believe it's a fun way of learning and growing.
So, what was it that made you think, yeah, BeFree is the place for me?
So from the very beginning, BeFree felt different. People here consider you as a person and not just an employee. Here, they value your personal goals and aspirations and they shape you towards it. Leaders here they don't just manage, they mentor you, which is why I think BeFree is the right place for me.
Was there a moment where you just felt like, okay, I actually belong here? Tell me about that.
Well, I think rather than one big moment, it's consistency of thoughtful gestures. For example, when I first joined in the team, my team took additional efforts just to make sure that I fit right into the system, I understand the operations and I feel belonged here. Here at BeFree, we take work and fun equally serious. Take for example corporate outings, team dinners. They are not just mandatory events, they are built for genuine connections.
How has BeFree helped you grow, whether that's in your career or just as a person?
So professionally, BeFree has given me immense exposure in terms of leadership, management skills and across the horizons. Personally, I think it has helped me develop immense strength and resilience. Every day brings small or big learning experience. It is all shaped by incredible mentorship that I have.
Is there something about the way people work here, a habit, a value, that's genuinely stood out to you?
So I think what sets BeFree apart is its profound investment in its employees' physical, mental and emotional well-being. BeFree lives by saying that mind your men and your men will mind your business. In today's corporate world, which is really toxic, BeFree is different. I remember whenever we used to have a tight deadline and I have to sit a little extra, my leaders or managers will constantly check in on me or just sit with me so that I don't feel burned out or discouraged. Now that I have my own team, I really try to do the same thing with my team members. You know, when I tell my friends which are outside BeFree that we have in-house Ayurvedic consultations or daily yoga sessions, they are really amazed. So I think that is what truly sets BeFree apart.
What's something you've worked on that you're genuinely proud of? Something that made a real difference?
Well, I am proud of my achievements like training new joinees or stepping up the corporate ladder. What I'm truly proud of is the growth of my team. Watching them stepping up, succeed, climbing up the corporate ladder, that is what truly gives me the sense of achievement. When they flourish, that's where I see my growth.
If someone was on the fence about joining BeFree, what would you tell them?
So if you're looking for an organization where you're treated like a person and not just an asset, BeFree is the place. Here, the culture is supportive, collaborative, and you get numerous learning opportunities. So if for you, growth opportunities and your well-being truly matters, then BeFree is the right place. Come join us.